this is Sunday morning that we're seeing all of this here, and apparently the storm is meant to hit its peak tonight around about 2 a.m. So we will see.
Stairs.
Yeah.
That's
fine. So we're just going to go and take a quick look at the beach right now. Our famous bench that we always sit at in the evening is lying right there. Obviously they've taken it down so that it doesn't go flying. And this is our path down.
Oh, I got this. Thanks.
Be surprised if there's anybody down here, but you never know. There might be other people like us, or just for the interest factor. Wow, look at that.
It's out past the water.
This has been sucked right out.
Wow.
It is.
Wow.
Well, what I'll do is I'll show the footage from yesterday compared to the footage right now. I mean, usually the water is lapping up here. Right at this point here is where the water is lapping up. These rocks are never exposed, never. At most, these rocks go back, the tide goes back about halfway on these rocks. These are never, it just shows how much of the water is just being sucked out. So I mean, this is just incredible. These rocks are just, it's never out like this. Just incredible. Get off. Look at it. Trying to catch us. Well, we got two other people over there. I can just see two other people far away over there. And we got a sand dollar. We got a sand dollar. Oh, look, there's the old bill. Yeah, there's a police. Yeah, take a picture of them. God, they're being sensible and not telling us to get off.